What's up, champions? I have an amazing video for you today. This is a trade recap on what happened today. It is amazing and my system called it. So let's get to it. Now listen up, because NQ just dropped 838 points, even more now, okay? But I was talking about right here, okay? Around this area right here, all right? 838 points. Now, yes, that is 838 straight down, and my system called it before the market even blinked. Okay, now while everyone else was screaming and crying and spilling their coffee, we were just sitting back, chilling, not even caring. Okay, we took a few trades here and there, made a couple $100, and we're like, all right, we're good. We're waiting for the real move. Right now, here's the per contract money, so you can understand why I'm smiling and I'm having an amazing day, especially now it's the holidays. All right, so let's just talk about the smallest contract, which is one contract. Okay, now this is not micro, this is a full contract. Okay, so just a regular contract is $16,760 if you would cut it from the breakdown all the way to this candle right here where the support is adding up. Okay, that is 838 points just right here. That is $16,760. Okay, amazing. Right, both system called, as you can see, both of them at the same time, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, California, because that's where I'm at. Okay, until 9:35. So an hour and 35 minutes. All right, that would have been 16,760 per contract. Now, prop firms usually give you 5 contracts. That's like the smallest accounts. Yes, some have even smaller, but usually it's a $50,000 account, and they give you 5 contracts. The $100,000 gives you 10, and the $150,000 gives you 15. Of course, there's bigger and smaller and all that shit, but that's what I'm talking about. Just those main 3. All right, so let's break it down. Now, with 5 contracts, that's the smallest account. You would have made $83,800 with 5 contracts, baby. $83,800. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. This means that you would have basically worked a whole year, right, with just this one trade. That's like a regular job in the United States, right? It's a little bit higher, a little bit less, but it's in the middle, right? It's not big, it's not small, it's just in the middle. It's regular, it's good. All right. Let's move on to a little bigger now, okay? Let's talk about 10 contracts, baby. That's the $100,000 account. With 10 contracts, you would have made $167,600. Okay, right here. Okay, $167,600 with 10 contracts. Okay, now instead of just buying a little coffee, you can afford maybe some In-N-Out. Okay, some In-N-Out with some animal fries. If you don't know what that is, look it up. It's in California, right? In-N-Out is a burger place, amazing burgers, and they have some animal fries, which is right, amazing. Now, you want to eat organic, right? You want to feed organic. You don't want to be eating that junk. Okay. Fine. Let's go 15 contracts, baby. That's a $150,000 account with 15 contracts. That is $251,400 you would have made today in an hour and 35 minutes, baby. Okay? In an hour and 35 minutes, you would have made $251,400 with 15 contracts right here. Okay? And both system coded at the same time. All right? That is power and amazing. Okay? Now, let's go in and let's say that you want to go big and you want to trade multiple prop firms accounts at the same time, and you can do that. That's the beauty of prop firms. You can have 5, 10, 20, 50 accounts mixed together, and you can copy trade them all at once at the same time. Now, if you want to be big badass, let's go. All right, 5 prop firm accounts, which I can give you one prop firm area that you can just go and buy them right now. Okay, let's say you got the $150,000 account. Okay, and you traded 15 contracts, which I'm not saying that you would, but I'm just saying if you would, all right? 15 contracts right here times 5 accounts, all right? That is 1,257,000 you would have made today, baby. This ain't fake, this ain't lies, this is right here, real proof in front of you, okay? In your eyes right here, we traded this live, okay? That was 5 accounts with 15 contracts each. That's the $150,000 accounts, okay? You would have made 1,257,000 right here. Now, you want to go a little bit more, right? Now you upgrading. And I have a full system, a full blueprint in my training that goes from 1 contract and takes you all the way to 50. But let's go with 10 accounts right now. Let's say we go 10 accounts, we copy trading right now, and we do 15 contracts on each, and we would have just let it go. We would have made 3,771,000 just right here, baby. Okay? 3,771,000. This ain't joke. This is real life. Okay? Now, you want to go and you level up. You want to scale. Okay? You want to go with 20 platform accounts. There's one company right now that you can go and buy them. Okay? There's one company that will give you 20 platform accounts at once. Okay? So this ain't fake. This ain't lies. This ain't, oh, this, no. You can go right now and buy them. Okay? With those, let's say you have a $150,000 account, 15 contracts each. Now, with 20 accounts, that would have been 5,028,000. Again, 5,028,000 just right here, baby. Just one trade. Just one trade. And now we're in 35 minutes of your time. Okay? Now, you want to be a champion like we are. You want to be a real champion like my people in my community, my movement. This is how we do it. We go from one account and we scale to 50 platform accounts in futures market. Okay? This is the power that you could have done today. Okay? If you go step by step and you scale up or you buy them all at once. It depends what your financial status is at this point. But check this out. With 50 platform accounts, okay, at $150,000 each one, with 15 contracts, today, in an hour and 35 minutes, you would have made $12,570,000. Again, let me repeat that. From this candle to this candle, okay, from this support level right here to this support level right here, you would have made $12,570,000 if you would have held all 15 contracts for all 50 accounts. Now, I'm not saying that you would have done that, right? But you could have, because there is people in my group that we go and we hold on, right? Or we have some runners. Now, let's just say that you didn't go 15 contracts deep, okay? Because that would have been $12,570,000. That is life-changing. You could retire. You could retire right now. Just right here with this system. Retire. Okay? Now, let's just say that you went one contract, right? With 50 accounts. Just one contract, baby. 50 accounts. That still would have been $838,000, baby. $838,000 in an hour and 35 minutes. You basically made $1 million. Okay? So there you go. Now, if you want this system, this is an amazing system. Yeah, this is 50 accounts if you would have traded and made that amount of money. But even if you only had 5 accounts or even one, you still would have made over, you know what I'm saying, 83,000 with 5 contracts, one account. Or even with one contract, you still would have made $16,760 today. Right? That's the power of this. And yeah, that's 50 accounts. That's basically printing money while you're sipping your coffee in your pajamas. And that's what I do. Like, I don't have to get dressed in the morning. I don't need to drive an hour, 2 hours to go to work. I learn a system, I use it, and I follow it to the T, and this is why we're successful. Okay? And I'm giving you this trades live on YouTube, on Twitch, on all those platforms. Every morning I'm going live. Not every morning, about 2-3 times a week I do go live, and you can see this, okay? But it's delay, right? It's lagging. It's only NQ. It's not gold. It's not Apple. It's not none of those. Okay, so if you want the full system and you can trade gold, you can trade silver, you can trade NQ, ES, Apple, whatever you want, then you need the full system. And you can have this step by step. Now, if you want to stop chasing random trades, stop panicking, and start trading like a champion, comment or DM me Black Friday and I'll show you exactly how to catch moves like this, while everyone else is still hit and refresh, wondering what happened today. Okay, now if you go, you can also go to, here we go, I have it right here for you guys so you guys can see, ROIchampions.com/BF for Black Friday. Okay, ROIchampions.com/BF for Black Friday. If you don't want to comment or DM me, that's fine. Just go to this page. You can look it up, read a little bit more about it, and when you're ready, make sure that you click Get Instant Access Now, this button, and use the promo code Black Friday VIP. You're going to get 50% off. Okay? This is the only time you're going to get this. I do not do this for people. Okay? So you're going to be able to get 50% off from Black Friday until Cyber Monday. And that's it. Okay? After Cyber Monday is done, Black Friday is done, it's over. You are not getting 50% discount anymore. And you can quote me on that, because when you come back after Cyber Monday, you will not have access to 50% discount again. I'm guaranteeing you that, because I keep my word. When I say I'm going to do something, I do it. Okay, so I'm giving you 50% off right now. This is the last time you ever get that. Even for the holidays or next year, whatever, you will never get 50% off again. Ever, ever, ever. All right. So now you can read a little bit more about it if you want and all this, but you know, the system is here. As you can see, everyone's being happy. Okay. Everyone's making money. Everyone is just enjoying life right now. And everyone is trading smart. Okay, and it has a precision system that gives you stop loss, take profits, and gives you risk management in place. Okay, we wait while everybody else is scrambling. We are patient like snipers, and as soon as our trade hits like this, we take the trade and we let it go. Even if you would have take profits here and you let one runner, you still would have made an amazing money, over $16,000 today for one contract. All right, so again, if you want access to this amazing system at 50% off until Cyber Monday, you'll never get 50% off ever again. Trust me on that, and you can believe it. All right. From there, you can just comment or DM me Black Friday, and I can give you more access, more information, or just go to the page. Okay. Just go to richampions.com/BF for Black Friday. You can read more about it. Click on here and go. Now, I will tell you, if you get the yearly plan, you're going to get the bots and the full system. Okay, this is automated bot, baby. This is the automated bot, and we're creating one for the Rendex as well. Okay, as you can see, we have a bot for this. It's amazing, and we're creating a bot for this right now. Okay, now, once you have access to those things, okay, if you buy the yearly, you're going to get all of this, everything, okay, including the bot, okay, plus 2 months free. If you don't, you can go monthly, but you're not going to get the bots. You're just not, because, you know, that's exclusive, you know, that's for the yearly plan, and that's where you get it. Okay, so you get everything for the monthly except the bot. If you get the yearly plan, you're going to get everything, including the bot, so you don't have to trade manually. All right, so there you go, my friends. Make sure that you go to richampions.com/BF or comment or DM me Black Friday, and I'll send you more information so you can, you know, do your, you know, due diligence and buy and have us on your team trading every day, Monday through Friday. You can have the system. You can trade anything you want, stocks, futures, crypto, a little bit of everything. Okay, so again, I'll see you on the other side. Make sure that you come to richampions.com/BF or comment or DM me Black Friday, and I'll send you more information. Just when you get here, click on this button. It will take you to the order page. Either pick the yearly if you want the bots and everything like that. 50% off, of course. Use Black Friday VIP. You'll get 50% off. Choose the yearly. You'll get everything, including the bot, plus 2 months free. Or get the monthly. You will not get the bot, and you will not get the 2 months free, but you will get a huge discount. Okay? I'll see you on the other side. Remember, trade safe and let the profits come to you.